I love you, Lord, for your mercy never failed me. All my days I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up till I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.
Given to me for all the blessings that I cannot see. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. With a grateful heart, with a song of praise.
Ang bait ni Lord sa atin, no? Kasi kahit minsan na paulit-ulit man tayong magkamali, lagi pa rin niya tayo